Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2013 Porsche Cayenne. So from any screen, if you just want to see what's ahead of you, you can just click on the map there, make sure there's no bends coming up to surprise you. If you want to know where you're going, if you're not just out for a Sunday drive and you've actually got a purpose and a destination in mind, click Navi. And there you've got enter address, previous destinations, stored destinations, points of interest and start route guidance. So we want enter address, county, town or postcode. Postcode's the easiest method. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston. P, where's R? Now we need to go to numbers. So you've got ABC there and 1, 2, 3 there. We click on 1, 2, 3. PR5, 4, and then we need to go back to letters J, S. Then you've got PR54JS, which you've already typed in. Click on it. Preston.